Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send duo request to the other players in Dress to Impress game app Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up this menu. Click on open menu right here and you'll see a duo option. And then here you'll be able to pick your duo. These are the active players in the server. And we'll be able to send the invitation. Just click on invite right here. And you need to wait until the player accepted your invitation. And once the invitation has been accepted, you'll be able to do duo with the player. Okay, just like that. Super easy. Just go to the menu and select duo. Okay guys, and that's how you can send a duo request to the players in Dress to Impress game app Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!